over 20 years, the Milexia Group has been supporting and servicing the satellite uplink broadcast market across Europe and beyond. With products and services from world-leading suppliers and the experience and knowledge of the Milexia team, we have developed a range of solutions that excel in today's ever-changing satellite broadcast world and offer a full broadcast uplink package that will allow DSNG crews to operate with the latest technology and future-proof their business for the years ahead. Whether you are building a completely new DSNG fleet or just upgrading a single truck, we have a wide range of solutions to help. Our 1.5-meter yield tool-sat-ready auto-pointing antenna is the choice for many national news agencies across Europe, with simple integration, space for 2 amplifiers in the pod, and the new Holkirk AIM controller. The RM150 is the choice for the modern DSNG news crew. We also supply the industry with our renowned range of broadcast flyaway systems that have been deployed all over the globe and reported back on some of the most unprecedented news stories over the last decade. Both our roof mount and flyaway systems form the heart of the Milexia Broadcast Uplink Solutions package. Milexia offers a wide range of encoding and baseband solutions from some of the world's leading suppliers that take advantage of the latest techniques and compression technology. The Sapphire from Broadcast Wireless Systems offers you HEVC encoding with outstanding video quality and up to 50% bitrate reduction, 4 SDI inputs, and ultra-low end-to-end latency. Compared with standard H.264, the Sapphire can reduce the bandwidth required, saving you money, and is the perfect encoder for the Milexia Broadcast Uplink Solutions package. Using the Sapphire encoder and the latest technology in HEVC encoding, and with more efficient modulation schemes, we are seeing a movement away from the traditional TWT amplifiers and more interest in the solid-state equivalents. We can work with you to replace your old and failing TWTs and replace them with new energy-efficient RevGo solid-state block-up converters with solutions up to 250 watts in TX power and configurable in a 1-for-1 solution. As well as supplying the latest in satellite uplink equipment, Milexia, working with SES, also offer a groundbreaking pay-as-you-go IP broadcast and internet service across Europe. Using your existing Ku-band DSNG fleet, the OU Flex network allows full IP connectivity via public internet or even a direct connection to your studio. It is a great complement to your cellular-bonded encoders to mitigate against GSM contention or no connectivity and poor coverage. With the simple integration of our OU Flex shelf, you can achieve a massive 50 megabit upload and 50 megabit download anywhere within Europe on the Astra 2F satellite. OU Flex is the ideal choice for IP broadcast, bonding, or just providing an internet connection or portal to the web. With over 30 years of satellite broadcast experience, we are here for you and ready to support you for the next stage of your broadcast journey. For more information, please contact one of our offices or visit our website milexiasatcom.com.